The uses and gratification theory indicates that people consume media to satisfy their needs and personal preference. There are different motivations that drives consumer to use media. This includes entertainment, information, social interaction, and personal identity.
This is where the five different concepts of this theory comes. We have affective needs, cognitive needs, social integrative needs, personal integrative needs, and tension-free needs. Our video falls into the concept of cognitive needs, as our characters find a hard time doing something they want to do. They immediately resorted to gain knowledge through watching video online.
Two friends decided to play badminton. They struggled to serve the shuttlecock in a right way and ended up having service error. While playing, they do not notice their wrongdoings in playing badminton. They just continue playing even though it is wrong. They had a little fight because they do not know who will have that point. They do not have a line, so it is difficult to distinguish who will have a point.
Okay, let's browse tutorial videos. Okay, fine.
After struggling with badminton due to a lack of understanding of the proper techniques and rules, the players feel frustrated. Recognizing their need for guidance, as a friend suggests, why not watch online tutorial videos? This simple suggestion directly aligns with the uses and gratification theory, as it identifies their active search for a resource to address their challenges and fulfill their need for knowledge. As they watch the tutorial video, the importance of uses and gratifications theory becomes evident. The video provides exactly what they need, clear explanations of the rules, demonstrations of proper serves, and step-by-step guidance on the key techniques. This research not only satisfies their desire for understanding, but also empowers them with the confidence to try it again. The tutorial meets their informational and practical needs, transforming their experience from confusion to clarity. By finding and using the right resource, the players feel a sense of satisfaction and growth.
So you can hit the shuttlecock outside. You can hit the
Armed with newfound knowledge, the players return to the court with renewed enthusiasm. Frustration turns into progress as they apply what they've learned, enjoying the game more with each attempt. Sometimes, the right resource is all it takes to unlock potential and make any challenge more enjoyable.
Dia, you need to hit the shuttlecock below your knees.
They attempted to play badminton once more after learning the correct technique. The players stopped playing tricks and improved their awareness of one another after watching a video about badminton.
This experience shows how important it is to understand the rules and proper techniques when playing sports. Knowing the basics not only helps you play better but also makes the game more enjoyable. When the players faced challenges, they realized they needed help. By choosing to watch an online tutorial, they found a way to improve. This connects to uses and gratifications theory, which explains that we actively look for things that meet our needs, whether it's learning something new, solving a problem, or simply finding enjoyment. This theory teaches us that when we face difficulties, we should think about what we need to move forward. Do we need more knowledge, a new skill, a different perspective? Then we can find resources like videos, books, or advice from others to help us. In sports, knowing the rules is key, gives confidence, helps you communicate with teammates, and makes the game more fun. When you understand how to play, you can focus on improving and enjoying the experience instead of feeling frustrated. Whether in badminton or in life, learning the basics and finding the right tools to grow can make all the difference.
Nice game.
Next time we play another game, let's browse first for the rules.
I agree.
Very good.